congratulations, Roger Pagoy and Coach Chot Reyes. Coach Chot, wow, what a game. That's exactly what you said when you sat down. In that stretch where you were held scoreless, what breakdowns did you see, and how did you witness your men atone for their lapses to secure this victory?
Believe it or not, I kind of expected it because we were just running on fumes. We have a very short rotation because the guy who played very well the last game, Heruela, was out, and Jordan Hedding couldn't even walk. He didn't even practice these last 2 days. He was a game time decision. Our trainers worked on him before the game to see if he could play. And that's why you notice we played him 3-4 minute stretches lang. 3 minutes, 4 minutes, labas. 3 minutes, 4 minutes, labas na naman, because he was, so to play a team like Magnolia without your guards, you can see the turnover story. We had 19 turnovers. So I was just telling the players at every huddle to just hold on, Don't worry about their missed shots. Don't worry about their offense. Just defend as well as we can, as much as we can, because I knew we didn't have the legs anymore towards the end game. We're lucky Kelly made those 2 free throws. If it went to overtime, the players, their unwillingness to give up, I think was the key here.
Thank you so much, Coach Chot. RR, from your perspective naman, kayong mga players, paano kayo nag-usap-usap? Lalo na nung panahon na parang wala nang tamang nangyayari para sa inyo. At nakita rin namin na si Jason sobrang lakas ng boses rin sa bench tonight. Ano ba yung mga nakikita niya?
First of all, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon sa panalo. Para sa akin tumatak lang talaga team natin na manalo. Basta laban lang. Kaya yung mga team na sa ko, yun ang palaging mindset namin.